The Turkish stock exchange envisions cash at $3. Caspians, if you're tuning in, you're interested, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn on all notifications. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. Turkey says cash is going to $3. And this is crazy, okay? Crypto Grad. The Turkish stock exchange envisions cash at $3. Kudos to author Melik Bayram for the insightful Casper article. Let the journey commence. Casper, is $3 feasible in 2024? Now, obviously, I won't be able to understand any of this. But the headline right here, I can understand this. As you guys can see on the screen, Kaspa, $3 from the Turkish stock exchange. You know, I'm betting on Turkey, man. I think Turkey's right. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. So I'm betting on Turkey, right? Guys, Kaspa's, this is huge, man. Like, that is so amazing to see how far Kaspa's going. It's literally going global, guys. The global takeover for Kas is happening right before our eyes. Mass adoption is happening right before our eyes. From Crypto Chris, very regularly I hear about the Kas is good, but it doesn't have smart contracts. Oh, he's gonna dive into that smart contract fund that a lot of people speak about, man. A lot of people are saying, hey, it doesn't have smart contracts, da-da-da. Let's see what Crypto Chris got to say about it. First of all, smart contracts are a boost to a project, not a necessity. That is exactly what I've been saying, right? How long has Bitcoin been going without smart contracts? Years, right? It's been going without smart contracts for a long time. And people still see Bitcoin. What do they view Bitcoin as? Digital gold, money. You know, that's what it is at the end of the day, man. Money. They see Bitcoin as the new money. Get rid of fiat dollars and we're just going to use Bitcoin. That's how people view Bitcoin. Smart contracts is not a necessity of that vision. And that's what Casper is aiming to accomplish. They see people to see cash as money. Peer-to-peer electronic cash. That's what it is, Casper's goal, right? Some people need to reconsider why they're in the crypto space. The goal of Bitcoin was to create a fiat monetary payment system, electronic cash, peer-to-peer. Yep, that would be accessible to every single guy with an internet connection to bank the unbanked people. That is the main goal. But unfortunately, Bitcoin failed to accomplish this because it was too slow, so global adoption would not be efficient. This is why it has changed the direction from a payment system to a store of value only. Literally, that's what the Bitcoiners had to do. They had to switch the narrative for being a global adopted, money to a store of value like gold, digital gold. That's what they had to do because it's too slow. And again, like I say all the time with ordinals, because there's things called ordinals, Bitcoin ordinals, where you could buy Bitcoin and do NFTs on like the network, right? It's expensive to do that. So it's not even, it's slow and expensive. It's not like even like Ethereum where Ethereum is fast, but it's expensive, right? Cas, after 10 years of research built upon Bitcoin fundamentals with new innovative protocols, solved the biggest trilemma problem. It was a problem that existed until 2021. Casper can be used as electronic cash for peer-to-peer transactions. It is digital silver, stateless money. Cash accomplishes exactly the main purpose of the Bitcoin creation, which is the fundamental foundation of the Nakamoto consensus, guys. But can also be used as a store of value because it fixes the supply. Ethereum, on the other side, maybe has smart contracts, but it's absolutely a garbage project. I wouldn't say garbage. Garbage is a bit too far. But I do say on the channel that new technologies trump old technologies, and it happens all the time. New technology always trumps the old, right? So let's be honest, right? We are seeing a new with Block DAG, we're seeing a new innovation which is more than likely going to be better than blockchain. It's just that we're so early to it, right? We're early to crypto is an early thing, and a lot of us are early to it. But we're even more early to the new technologies that are, slowly growing their seeds and their roots, right? They're slowly growing in, the depths of the crypto space. You might even see a transition from blockchain in general to block DAG, where people stop using blockchains and all of a sudden all they use is block DAGs. Because why would you need a blockchain to use? Why would you even need a blockchain when blockchains are unsecure? They're, a lot of them aren't secure, aren't decentralized, aren't scalable. They get expensive the more people use them, or they're too slow, right? It could be a thing. Pre-allocation of 60 million ETH. Vitalik is just sold some on Coinbase. Too expensive per transaction. Change from proof of work to proof of stake. This was, again, not a great idea, man. It can scale with only layer 2s. So what to do? The smart contracts. What would you do with the smart contracts if your project is trash? I wouldn't go so far to say it's garbage, it's trash, but clearly there's better technologies that are arising now, and CAS is one of those better technologies, right? Space Traveler. CAS is the most badass project in crypto. Its price chart once again defying all FUD, leaving haters and shorters speechless and wrecked. Casper, once in a lifetime opportunity. CAS, man, crushing it. Shout out to Space Traveler, Crypto Chris as well for the write-up. Amazing write-up as well from Crypto Chris. Casper News. Casper is ranked top 44 project market cap without the participation of many top-tier exchanges. No Binance, no Coinbase, no Kraken. Bruh, imagine when those listings happen, man. $5, pew, instantly, right? Imagine when, it'd be perfect. Like, honestly, what would be perfect if the listings happen, like, going into peak euphoria bull run. Like, peak, just like how Doge and Shiba was, the listings for them were happening in peak euphoria bull run. When Doge got listed on, like, Robinhood and Shiba and Robinhood, I think. Like, that peak euphoria, man, that'd be perfect for them listings, man. And I think that's probably what might happen. So CAS at $1 billion with none of those exchanges, man. Imagine when they happen. From Dan, all-time high retest soon for CAS, and I really think it's gonna happen, man. We have a thread from BTC World. The video kind of stretched on a bit, so I'm gonna have to save that for another video and dive into it. It's a very interesting thread, so we're gonna take a look in the next video. From Cinderella, CAS is getting a lot more attention. As it climbs higher in market cap, even more people will be made aware and probably don't want to miss out. This trend will continue into the bull market. YouTubers and other social media influencers will be creating a lot of content and hyping the project up to their audiences. That is facts. You guys see how I talk? Like every other day, we seen another new channel cover CAS, man. It's crazy. This, among other things, will create a massive wave of FOMO that will make the price of CAS surge to incredible heights. Completely agree with that. A lot of people might think it's bad when this happens to a project. They want to be driven purely by its fundamentals, but crypto is still mostly driven by emotion. I say this all the time. A lot of projects, it don't, I don't like CAS, again, very innovative, unique, technological project, right? But in the space, people don't care about that. That's why I talk about meme coins on the channel sometimes. People don't care about, like, the technology side, man. A lot of retail, for example, all they care about is price go up. That's all they really care about. Price go up, I'm buying, right? So that's why you see a meme coin like Shiba being the best performing asset in the last cycle, when there's such great protocols like in the space, such great protocols in the space at that time before Casper was created, right? That's why the meme coin that did absolutely nothing was the best performing asset. And again, it's gonna be the same thing here with retail investors. But the good part is CAS, like I said in a previous video, has the awareness and the community, but it also has the utility and the technological side going for it as well. So it actually does something, right? So that might even double the amount of attention it gets, right? When there's money to be made, people get crazy. I'm telling you. Ultimately, people want to see their backs pumped, price go up, they FOMO in. Chasing projects they believe will bring them the best possible ROI. And that's fine in my opinion. The crypto market is still so young. Cash will be a winner. Let's enjoy the ride. A lot of the space, again, guys, like I said, it's not necessarily about what the project does. It's just awareness, man. I don't want to just say hype, but it's a lot of awareness and community. Because the Casper community is massive, and they're so well connected and so, you know, knowledgeable, right? And that's what, in my opinion, is one of the key factors for a project's success. Each protocol in the space has its own community. There's people that literally, they're just ETH guys. Same thing with Bitcoin. It's just Bitcoin guys, right? The Bitcoin community, right? The maxis, right? There's people that are just Solana guys. You know, there's people that are Litecoin, Cardano, and all of that is, at the end of the day, boils down to community, right? And the same thing we hear with Cass, with a very how should I say, knowledgeable and interconnected community. And again, that's one of the things I always look for in a project for its potential success, right? Cass has it all, right? It checks all the boxes here. So, Caspians, once again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member, tune into the live streams. Thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart. Truly appreciate you. I'll catch you in the next one.